Okay, so my house is an absolute mess today and I'm gonna tidy. I'm gonna clean it up. In my pajamas. This is Jack, my parents' dog. I'm babysitting him. So, hi. Hey, get down, baby. Getting there. We're getting there. Daisy, are we getting there? Are you being a good assistant? And you, Jackie. And Batman. Do you want to go for a walk? Will we go for a walk? Yeah? Do you want to go for a walk, Jack? Okay, Daisy. I think I'm dressed, ready to walk. I'm gonna get a coffee and a croissant. Need a coffee and a croissant every day. So, let's go. So now we're back home from our walk, aren't we? Jack, did you have a good walk? Did you have fun? Yeah, you did. Hello, Batman. Are you being a good boy today? Yeah. Yeah. So basically, I put these all back. I cleaned this. Looking much better. Jack, stop. He's just attacking that bed. Anyway, so it's pretty much clean. I need to clean that table now. Give it a bit of a wipe down. And hi boys. You watching? Yeah? I have to keep that practice run thing outside of that cupboard now because that's where I keep the cat and the dog food. White kitten Robin opens that and then opens everything of food and eats it all, tries to eat it all. So Jack, and he pees everywhere. So all day I'm cleaning, running after them. It's never a dull moment anyway in this house. Gorgeous flowers on the table. Why are you always giving out? Why are you always giving out? Where did I put my window glass? cabinet that I bought for like €20 to do up, to refurbish. So it was wooden. I've got doors for it. Here they are. Another cupboard, another drawer, days. And I will fix that, finish it probably this week. So that's for another day. Last but not least, the table. Oh, Mrs. Giver Outer. Oh, Mrs. Giver Outer. Our lovely clean table. Hey, Jack. You happy with the clean house? Bob, you look pretty happy. You look pretty comfy. Hey, Daisy. Is it clean now? And are you still giving out? Yeah. Come on. Well, was that fun?